So for today's game, we are going to be using our ears. So you have to try to listen to the sound and try to figure out what's happening. So I'll play a sound for you for 5 seconds and listen really closely, and then you have to tell me what's happening. All right? Here's our first sound. All right, do you think you know what sound that was? If you're not sure, I'll play it again for you. Here it is. All right, so that sound was your heartbeat. So if you got heartbeat, you got it right, so congratulations. If you didn't get it right, that's okay, we have more sounds for you. Let's play our second sound. Do you think you know what that was? That one was a little tougher. Let's play it again. All right, I think I know what it was. Do you? That sound was a door opening and closing. That was a little tough, huh? Try it out on your door and see if you can hear the same sound. All right, we do have another sound for you. This is sound 3. Whoa, that was interesting. Do you know what sound that was? Here, let's listen again. Oh, I think I know what sound it was. That sound was typing on a keyboard. If you said keyboard, you got it right. Congratulations. All right, we have another sound for you. That was a good one. Do you know what sound it was? You want one more listen? Okay, we'll listen again. All right, that sound was a stapler. You know how a stapler goes click? That's what it was. All right, this is our last sound, so listen real closely, okay? Ooh, that one was kind of gross. Do you know what sound it was? I'm sure a lot of you guys do it. We'll listen to it one more time. All right, that sound was chewing on chips. Next time you eat chips, try to listen to yourself. That's what you sound like. All right, Kids Rock, that's all I have for you today. See you later.